Stay tuned to see how I use this one product to achieve this bomb twist out. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I achieve this twist out using one product only. That is the Nature's Little Secret Avocado Moisturizing Hair Cream. Stay tuned. So again, this is a one product style. I am doing a twist out and I am twisting in medium sections. So the only product that I am applying is the Avocado Moisturizing Hair Cream from Nature's Little Secret. I do have a discount code that you can use to save money on this product, and I will leave that in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So a little bit about this product. The Avocado Moisture Cream is made with avocado oil and butter. Avocados are a superfood for the body. They contain lots of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to help keep you healthy. Not only are avocados good for the body and delicious, but they are great for your hair. Avocados contain protein, which helps strengthen your hair. They help reduce frizz and are a great natural moisturizer. Now the key to a perfect twist out for me is making sure that your hair is completely detangled, making sure your hair is moisturized, and twisting tightly for maximum definition. Now for the ends of your hair, I like to finger coil the ends, but you can also use a perm rod or flexi rod to give that curl at the ends. So again, with twist outs, to get the maximum definition, you need to twist tightly. Also, the smaller the sections, the more definition that you'll have. The larger the sections, the more volume you have. So it depends on the look that you're going for, on how you twist your hair. So this is my first time using this product. I have been wanting to try it for so long. I've seen a lot of people get amazing results from it. So I knew this would be the perfect one styler product. And it's definitely giving me a lot of moisture. It's definitely giving me some shine. It's definitely giving me everything that I need for the perfect twist out. Now that my twists are all completed, I am going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes and then let the rest air dry. But first, let's take care of these ends. So I am going to do a little bit of a trim, and I like to trim my hair when they are in twist, and any little parts that are not coiled with the rest, any little strings that are hanging, I just clip those off. Let me know in the comments below how you do your trims. So here we are the next day, and my hair is dry and ready for the takedown. So let's get into this definition. One product styling, just using the avocado moisture cream from Nature's Little Secret. And as you can see, definition is on point. The moisture is on point. The hold is on point. Definitely a great one product twist out. Can't wait for the final results. And here are the final results. Definitely loving this one product twist out. Let me know in the comments below what's your one go-to product for your one product styling. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.